you doing?
Hi. I've never seen you on that before.
2 weeks ago.
It's pretty good.
She's taking movies.
Oh.
You're on the movies.
Oh no. No, not me.
Okay, that ought to do it.
Okay.